Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. We are here in sunny South Florida. It is very hot now that we are approaching summer, but today we are going to clean this pool that definitely needs some maintenance. And today we're going to be testing out the brand new Gosvor LiteVac G1. And let me tell you right now, I've reviewed quite a lot of pool robot cleaners, but this one is on the smaller scale. It's not heavy at all. I love the handle and it just makes it easier to transport. You don't have too many options. It's just very straight to the point. You have the filter over here that once you open it, you can just wait for it to get filled. Once it's filled, rinse it out, clean it out, put it back over here, and you're ready to clean again. You have the turn on and off button right here in the front, the different cleaning modes. Other than that, straight to the point. You have the scrubbing for the walls and the water line. Today, we're gonna be putting it to the test. After reviewing a lot of high-end pool robots, I've realized that the conversation is always about more features, more zones, more tech, more power, but nobody really talks about something that actually matters long-term, which is weight and simplicity, because once the excitement of a new robot wears off, you're the one lifting it out of the pool. So today, instead of asking how powerful is it, let's just ask a better question. Does it actually make the pool ownership easier? Now, this isn't trying to be a 4-in-1 mega system, but it focuses on the fundamentals like the strong suction up to 3,960 gallons per hour, structure intelligent path planning, multi-layer filtration with a 3-micron ultrafine filter, so that means no overcomplicated interface, no overwhelming setup, you just drop it in, let it work. And that minimalist approach is very intentional, and honestly, it's pretty refreshing. Now here's what this one separates itself from the bigger units that I've reviewed, because this one weighs just 15 pounds, and that makes a noticeable difference when you're pulling it out of the water, because if you have ever lifted a heavy pool robot full of water, you definitely know what I mean, and some of them they feel like you're lifting a soaked carry-on suitcase, but this one is definitely manageable, and when it finishes it just parks itself near the wall, so you're just not chasing it around the pool. You just lift it, you let it drain, rinse, filter, and you're done. Now simplicity doesn't mean weakness, and this runs up to 200 minutes continuously and covers pools up to 2,153 square feet per cycle, and the cleaning pattern is structure, not random bouncing, and you can see it working intentionally across the floor and the edges, and the suction handles the sand, the leaves, the fine debris, and when you empty the filter, you can actually see what picked up, and that's always the real proof. Now here's what I learned reviewing pool robots, and is that the best one is not always the most advanced, but is the one that you don't mind using, and that's the one that doesn't feel heavy, that's the one that doesn't overcomplicate things, and the one that quietly does the job, like the LiteVac G1 that feels like it was built around that philosophy: minimal tech where it counts, a strong cleaning performance, lightweight handling, and it just doesn't try to impress you with complexity. It just simply works. So I think if you want the every possible feature and fully automated multi-surface system, there's definitely bigger options out there. But if you want a solid cleaning performance with the structured movement, lightweight design, less hassle pulling it out, I think this one is going to make a lot of sense. And after testing a lot of advanced pool robots over this past year, I think this is one of the first ones that reminded me that bigger isn't always better, but sometimes the smarter and lighter are going to win. Link will be in the description below if you want to find out more information or if you want to purchase one of these units for your pool. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.